Hey bro, I found your problem. These are the lifters that the push rods ride on underneath inside the motor. See how that's easy? That looks smooth. Here's your culprit. You got the lifter stuck. That's bad, bro. Shouldn't look like that. It should be completely smooth like that. So we're changing the lifters out. It is the problem.